January 5th, 2021 focus question. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look here at our focus question today. So Megan was given the following set of data from the teacher about the amount of siblings that each student had in her class. So remember, we looked at this yesterday. We are now going to find the range because we already found the mode to be 4. Remember that mode meant most? So that mode was 4, but now we're going to find something called the range. So the range is going to just be the biggest number minus the smallest number. So the biggest number minus the smallest number. So now what we can do is put these in order so that I know what is the biggest number and what's our smallest number. So our first number is a 1. And again, I just crossed them out so I know I used them already. No 2, 3, here's a 4. Here's another 4. Here's a 5. And here's a 6. All right, so that biggest number is going to be this 6. And the smallest number is going to be a 1. So all we're going to do is 6 minus 1. That equals 5. So the range is 5. So that is it. That's all our focus question is asking today. That range is 5. And that's it for our focus question. Great job!